Have you ever searched Amazon for woodworking clamps, only to find hundreds of options that all claim to be the best? Some promise incredible holding power. Some advertise premium quality. And others look almost identical, despite costing 3 times as much. So the real question is, which woodworking clamps are actually worth your money? Today, we're breaking down some of the most popular Amazon woodworking clamps to see which ones offer the best value, which are best for specific jobs, and which ones you should probably skip. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which clamp deserves a place in your workshop. And one recommendation might surprise you. Let's get started. First up, quick grip clamps. If you're a beginner, you've probably seen these everywhere. Quick grip clamps are lightweight, fast to use, and perfect for holding small projects together during glue-ups. The biggest advantage is speed. You can tighten them with one hand, making them incredibly convenient. However, they aren't designed for heavy-duty pressure. When working with hardwood furniture or large panels, they simply don't provide the same clamping force as larger bar clamps. Verdict? Excellent for light-duty woodworking. Not ideal for major glue-ups. Next, spring clamps. These are some of the cheapest clamps you'll find on Amazon. They're simple, compact, and surprisingly useful. Holding templates, securing small parts, keeping cables out of the way, they're incredibly handy. The downside? Limited pressure. They're not meant for serious woodworking joints. Think of them as workshop helpers, not primary clamps. Now let's move to one of the most important clamp types every woodworker should know. Bar clamps. Bar clamps are the workhorses of woodworking. Need to glue a tabletop? Cabinet? Large cutting board? These are usually the first choice. They provide excellent pressure across long distances and are available in many different lengths. The only drawback is weight. Larger models can become heavy during extended projects. But if you're building furniture, they're almost impossible to replace. Now let's talk about one of the favorites among experienced woodworkers. Parallel clamps. These are often considered premium clamps. And for good reason. The jaws stay perfectly parallel as pressure increases. That means more even clamping force and better glue joints. They're especially useful when assembling cabinets, tabletops, and precision furniture. The downside? Price. They're often several times more expensive than standard bar clamps. If you're just getting started, they may not be your first purchase. But if furniture building is your passion, they're definitely worth considering. Next up, pipe clamps. Pipe clamps are unique because you supply the pipe yourself. Need a longer clamp? Simply use a longer pipe. This makes them one of the most affordable ways to clamp very large projects. However, they're heavier than most alternatives. And setup takes a little longer. For large glue-ups, they're excellent. For everyday woodworking, many people prefer something quicker. Now here's a clamp that doesn't get enough attention. Corner clamps. If you build boxes, cabinets, or picture frames, corner clamps can save a lot of frustration. Instead of trying to hold everything square by hand, they keep your pieces aligned while you fasten or glue them together. They're not designed for high clamping force. But for assembly work, they're incredibly useful. Finally, let's answer the big question. Which clamp should you actually buy? If you're just starting woodworking, a combination works best. A few quick grip clamps for speed. Several spring clamps for convenience. And at least 2 quality bar clamps for glue-ups. As your projects become more advanced, adding parallel clamps can dramatically improve furniture assembly. No single clamp is perfect for every project. The best woodworkers don't rely on one type, they choose the right clamp for the job. So before buying another woodworking clamp, ask yourself one simple question. What kind of projects do I actually build? Because choosing the right clamp isn't about buying the most expensive one. It's about buying the one that solves your problem. If you found this comparison helpful, make sure to subscribe for more woodworking guides, tool comparisons, and workshop tips. And now I want to hear from you. Which woodworking clamp do you use the most? And which one do you think every workshop should have? Leave your answer in the comments below.